Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I am contributing to hashtag Project Share Thursday. Now I'm going to be real candid with you, and I really mean I'm going to be real candid with you. I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to create, but I have an idea that's in my mind. So first and foremost, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into my channel. Let's get into it. So here's a piece of scrap. What I have in front of me right now is, after I've gone through my stash of items, I found, let me just take it out of the package first. I found this Stampin' Up collection. It's discontinued now. So here are the original pages of each piece here, the fronts. Also, I have, like I said, I have this green, which I think is going to match well. And I found another piece of this green cardstock in my stash too. Now, you guys recognize this. This is a bag from Hobby Lobby. I started taking, I started just, breaking it down, but I wanted to show it to you first. I am going to finish breaking this down. There are some elements within the bag that I want and like. I like this so much that I actually, when it was on sale, I purchased the wrapping paper roll as well. So I'm glad I didn't lose a lot of this, but yeah. And the bags have that wonderful thick craftness to them. So this is what it looks like. I like it. I know I can't unbend some of these creases in here, but I think I can work around it in terms of what I have in mind. So let's go ahead and kind of get to it a little bit, okay? Right off the bat, 8 by 12. And the reason I'm choosing 8 by 12 for this particular item is because whenever I work on junk journals, my junk journals, 9 times out of 10 are going to be 8 or 8.5 in terms of height. Okay? What do we do with our scraps? We set it to the side because we're always going to do something with it, right? Now, when I look at this particular page, I see the berries. So that lets me know the berries are going this way. Berries are going this way, okay? Still I need that 8. And what I'm working on really mentally is a prototype. But I'm sure, as you guys seen, once I do one, if the prototype in my mind works well for me, then I turn around and create some additional ones. Right? So now I have 8 by 8. Then I've got some 4 by 8. And then I've got some 12 by 4s. Yeah, 12 by 4s. So I'm going to score this at 2. And I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to score it at 2 again. Let's double check. All right, so I got this. You got 2, 2, 4, okay? 2, 2, 4. And again, 2, 2, 4. Because they need to meet. In my mind, they need to meet, okay? All right. So I took those papers, I cut them down 8 by 12. And then I turned around and cut them 8 by 8. I could have done 8 by 8 at first, but I just, I was creating this project as I was going. And so the back, 4 in width, 8 in length, okay? And then each one of these little pieces is 2 inches, which is another what? 4 inches, okay? Which gives us 8. I took the little pieces that I cut out from the Hobby Lobby bags, just cut it down, like I just said a second ago, cut it down, rounded my corners. That's it. And then I glued half of it to this is the right side, half of it to the right side. Well, at the same time, I took a piece of the cardstock, the applicable cardstock, and I created a pocket, which I rounded the corners. I rounded all of the corners all around here, okay? So you can either, I prefer to round my corners before I put it in and then round the corners additionally afterwards. And then I just took some of those tags that I created from the bank money holders last week, and I'm just sticking it in here for right now, okay? So the reason I haven't put anything on the back is because if I decide to put this in a junk journal, which is what I might do, it will lie flat in a junk journal. So here's what I came up with this one. This is the inside. And naturally, again, I just put the bookmark or tag or whichever one you want to call it in here that I made last week. That's one. Here's the second one. And I didn't over ink on the back because once again, my intent is that it lays flat. Let's open it up. Again, a tag that I created from last week, or a bookmark. I'm going to say it's a tag because I put an eyelet there. Okay? Ink the edges because once again, when it lays down, it's going to need something to give it some little dimension. And then this one. All right. So, everyone, this is going to conclude my project for hashtag Project Share Thursday. I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun. I had to figure it out, as I always do. I have to figure it out, especially when I'm using other elements, like little snippets and pieces from bags and things of that nature. But if you'd be so kind as to subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again, and most importantly, take care of yourself, I'd greatly appreciate it. Take care.